Hey everyone, want to upgrade your wardrobe and save on culture kings? Here's how you can easily find and use promo codes for great deals. First of all, open your Google Chrome browser. After that, in the search bar, type Culture Kings promo codes and press enter. You will see several websites offering promo codes for discounts on Culture Kings products like streetwear, sneakers, and accessories. Click on one of these sites to find promo codes such as 10% off on new arrivals or free shipping on orders above $50. Select the promo code that works best for your shopping needs and copy it to your clipboard. Visit the Culture Kings website and add your favorite streetwear items to the cart and paste the promo code during checkout to unlock your discount. And that's it. You have successfully used a Culture Kings promo code to save on your favorite streetwear. Thanks for watching.